2 sachet sauce, 1 fried egg, 2 sliced cucumber and tomato, sausage that has been picked, lettuce, 1 slice cheese. The material are spoon, knife, and to plate.
How to make a sandwich? First, place a slice to bread on the plate. Second, put the 2 chili sauce with spoons. Third, add lettuce. And 1 slice of cheese. Two slices of tomato and cucumber.
Okay, next, after that, don't forget add sausage that has been picked. One, two, three, and 4, and 1 fried egg. Then put a slice of bread on the top and press. And then cut into triangle shape with the knife. Finally, the sandwich ready to serve.
Okay guys, that's all the way how to make a sandwich. Thank you for paying attention and please try it home. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.